The Parker Tornado is an ultralight, compact crossbow, capable of shooting an arrow in excess of 330 feet per second. In a class all its own, the Tornado has redefined the style of today's modern crossbow. The Tornado features an elevated comb stock, an ergonomic pistol grip with an aggressive thumbhole design, Parker's 100% metal G2 trigger, featuring an auto-engage ambidextrous safety with an auto-engage anti-dry fire device, a vented machined aluminum barrel with a safety finger flange, a vented forearm with a built-in palm swell, Parker's innovative inverted cam technology, true over-center cable cross, microlight limb pockets, and a 100% machined aluminum riser with an all-synthetic string and cable harness system. The Tornado is manufactured with 165-pound limbs, and the package is topped with your choice of a 3x32 red-hot scope or red dot optic.